The Parabolic SAR is another trend-following indicator with sticking signals. Although it performs essentially the same function as the MESA, it usually looks very different on the chart. The Parabolic SAR is made up of small crosses or dots depending on the trading platform that are either below or above the candles. When the crosses are below the candles, it means that the Parabolic SAR is bullish and it will keep sending buy signals, and conversely, when the crosses are above the candles, it means that the indicator is bearish and it will keep sending sell signals. On Cryptohopper, the Parabolic SAR has very similar inputs to the MESA, with the default values being 0.02 for the acceleration factor and 0.2 for the maximum. Just like the MESA, higher values here result in more changes between the buys and the sells. One of the main differences between the Parabolic SAR and the MESA is that the Parabolic SAR is more sensitive to trend changes and reacts quicker. This makes it a better filter for coins that tend to change direction faster.